Hey guys, so it is moving day. Yeah, I've just got ready. I've just done my makeup. I just need to put my jewellery on. I've literally also just filmed this bit, but I realised I didn't hit record. That's how this morning's going. So I'm being a little bit quiet as well, because it's still really early. It's currently 9 AM. So yeah, I'm just catching up on Love Island currently, and this is the mess on the floor. Got a lot of stuff. I've also got a load more stuff in my brother's room. So all I need to pack up now is like a few like wires, like, you know, chargers and stuff. I've got coats, the stuff that I've used this morning, like my makeup and stuff, and shoes and clothes to pack up. And we haven't actually packed the car yet either. The way our move-in works is we don't have a time slot, which I thought was kind of weird, I'm not gonna lie, but yeah, so we don't have a time slot. You can turn up whenever, but basically all the flats are moving in over 4 days. So I'm actually the first, so yeah, it's the 1st of October today, which is so exciting. Can you believe it's October? Buzzing. But yeah, this is my outfit of the day. Just wearing top from Zara, jeans from New Look. I wore this outfit the other day in my packing vlog actually, but yeah, I really like it, so I'm wearing it again. So I'm just going to continue getting ready, and I need to straighten the back of my hair as well because it looks gross. But yeah, I'm going to just continue getting ready, and then we are going to pack some more stuff and then start packing up the car. We're going to aim to get there about kind of 11-12ish I think, and then we're going to unpack a bit, then go do like a food shop. Like we've already done a food shop, but like dry foods, if you get what I mean, like non-fridge stuff. So then I need to go get all my fridge and freezer stuff. I'm excited. I'm also quite nervous, but you know, I'm gonna feel like that. So I'll catch you guys in a bit. We've just about managed to fit it in. Look how full my car is. I'm in. What a mess though. Wow. Hey guys, so I am currently in my room. It is literally so late right now. It is 6:10. We basically literally left the house at 11 this morning. We drove here, unpacked everything, took absolutely ages. Then we went to Tesco, did a bit of a shop, came back, unpacked that, and then we were basically unpacking my room, and then my mum's literally just left. I don't really feel like I need to cry or anything because, you know, I'm literally like 10 minutes down the road, but I've got some noisy people opposite me. But yeah, I have got a bit of stomachache, I'm not gonna lie. But like, I just feel like if I do get like really stressy, I can literally just go home like tomorrow or something. Like, I know it sounds stupid, but like, even if it's just like popping home, popping back. Also, I think keeping my car here, it's currently at home, but I'm just waiting for the permit to come through, and then hopefully I'm like keeping my car here so I can just go wherever when I want, basically. So yeah, but I'm in. I'm probably not gonna eat for a while because we had a meal deal really late at like 3:15. Feeling okay. I need to unpack a bit more. I'm gonna give you guys a little overview of the room. I will do a full room tour like when it's all done, but I literally love it. It is such a nice room, honestly. Yeah, I'm excited. The carpet is blue, which is kind of annoying because like, just kind of gross when the rest of the room is literally white and grey. Here is my wardrobe. It's kind of hard to show you guys, but yeah, it's quite a big wardrobe, but this side is literally just shelves, and these are clothes. I don't know why my mum literally, she's like unwrapped them all apart from like 2. Then opposite the wardrobe is the bathroom. It is the bathroom, so it's quite small, as you can see. Just got toilet, sink, shower, big old mirror, which is nice. It actually comes with a bin in here and a bin also under my desk, so that's really nice. They're both brand new as well, so that's really good. And they also give you one of these toilet brush, brand new, and they also give you a toilet paper, although I have obviously bought some. So then this is the rest of the room. Got a big light up there. It's very high ceilings actually, I've just realised that. This is my bed. It's very, very similar to the Brighton one, if you guys remember that. Just, yeah, obviously I'll go into depth with things when I do a room tour, but yeah, small double bed, cute. And then this is my desk area. Got a drawer and a cupboard there. Shelves up here, really cute. Pin board. I'm gonna put some fairy lights and photos and stuff on that. Although it doesn't even look like it's really being used. Normally you can see like the holes. We've got a big old mirror here, which is exciting. And then opposite the bed is the window, which I've actually got a really nice view, guys, because no one's gonna walk past here. So yeah, I actually think that's really cute. I love it. That is that. I am feeling, oh, I don't even know how I'm feeling, to be honest with you guys. This is a great place to put you. Also, the lighting is amazing in here. But yeah, I feel okay. I feel a lot better than obviously I did at the Brighton place. But having said that, I'm still not feeling great. I think it's just going to take me some time to kind of get used to it all. I met my flatmates. I think there's like 12 of us. Basically, guys, there's 12 of us, but then there was 6 in the group chat, but then 1 got added at last minute, so that obviously makes 7. But then some other guy turned up today, so that makes 8. And yeah, so I feel like there might be like the full amount. But yeah, the flat opposite, like, she's got some friends, which I don't think is meant to happen. You're only meant to have one person move you in, but she's got a load of friends in here right now. Well, no, I say a load of friends, she's literally got 2 friends in here, but they're very noisy, so I don't know how I feel. I think what I might do is put some music on or something, or I've got like 15 minutes of last night's Love Island to watch, so maybe I'll watch that whilst unpacking a bit more, because I've got quite a bit to do. I've got like realistically a lot to do, because it's not just unpacking, it's like, I think I've set up the Wi-Fi on my phone, but I'm not 100%. It's like things like that. And also when we arrived, we got 2 free like fabric masks, which is kind of nice. And I've got a massive thing here which I haven't read yet. It's about COVID-19 testing. Basically, they have a clinic here or something. Oh yeah, so they literally have a clinic like opposite my accommodation, and you're allowed to take part in an antibody test, which will be really interesting, to be honest, guys, because, oh yeah, pricking the tip of the finger, I thought it was a blood test. I get to know whether I've had COVID yet or not, which will be interesting, to be honest, considering like people our age don't really get symptoms. So yeah, it's just a campus map. Honestly, there's not a lot here, not a lot going on. But yeah, that's what we got when we moved in, and I feel a lot more relaxed now. I've spoken to you guys. Yeah, I'll catch you guys later and let you guys know how I'm getting on. I thought I would give you all a little bit of an update. I am I feel okay. Like, I'm not upset or anything. Like, I'm not really that bothered about that. I'm a bit worried in case people can hear me, I'm not gonna lie. But we've already had the YouTube conversation amongst the roommates. But yeah, I've just come back into my room. We've just had a chat in the kitchen for ages, which was really, really nice. I literally love my flat already. There's a few that didn't join us because a few of them are like older and stuff, and a few of them are only just moving in, so they're still unpacking. So yeah, but yeah, I'm feeling a bit weird. Like, I think I'm low-key anxious. I think in my head, like mentally, I'm like anxious, but like on the outside I'm like, I'm fine. So I don't really feel like eating, which is so annoying. Like, this happened in Brighton. So yeah, but other than that, I'm feeling completely fine. So I'm not, I don't know whether I'll eat. I might just have a snack on something, because I'm like, I'm not really feeling like eating right now. I haven't really unpacked anything still. I need to tidy up. Like, it stresses me out just seeing my room like this. Like, it's such a mess. But yeah, the lighting in here is amazing. Like, 10 out of 10 for that. But I'm really sorry that I didn't vlog much of me moving in earlier. I don't know if I said this, but it was just really, really like, not rushed, but there was just like so much we had to get done that I just really couldn't film anything. So yeah, but yeah, we're just having a chilled one. I think I will feel better when I have my car, because the thought of like when I do get a little bit anxious, like I'm a little bit anxious now, like I can literally just go out to my car and just have a drive round and then come back, you know what I mean? Like, because obviously I know the area and stuff because I literally live here. But it would just kind of calm me down a little bit and have the familiarity of like my car and stuff. For the rest of the evening, I'm honestly so tired, so I'm probably just going to unpack a little bit more. I want to hang some stuff up on my cork board, although it's not even cork, it's like fabric, my fabric board. And then yeah, just chill really, sleep, maybe watch some Love Island. Probably not, because I'm not really in the mood, but yeah, we will see. Hey guys, so it is the morning and I just realised how echoey it is in here and how loud I sound when I talk, so apologies if any of my flatmates are watching this and you heard me speaking. But anyway, I think I've done something to my table as well. It is 20 to 10 the next day, Friday the 2nd of October. My hair is feeling greasy AF, but I can't be asked to wash it right now. I'm also really hungry because I haven't really eaten yet. I had a cereal bar when I woke up this morning. Yeah, I'm still feeling a bit on edge, so I'm a bit like about eating. So basically guys, for today, basically there isn't really any plans. So I don't know if I said this, but people are moving in over 4 days, so I moved in on the first day. So there's a lot of people going backwards and forwards like to home, like in my flat and stuff. Like one of the girls going home this weekend and things like that. So yeah, there's a lot of that going on. Obviously a lot of people haven't arrived yet anyway. So basically what I'm going to do today, I think, is I am going to go home. This morning my mum's going to pick me up and we're going to go home. But I'm not going to like stay there or anything because, to be honest, I'm quite chilled here. I need to eat something and I know I feel a lot more comfortable eating in a place that I feel comfortable eating, if you get what I mean, like when I feel a bit on edge. So I'm just gonna go home, have something to eat, get my body back to normal, and I can actually eat tonight. Yeah, I'm gonna go home and do that, and then I'm also going to bring my car. I think I still haven't got the parking permit, but I just think it would be so much easier for me just knowing that I have my car here. So I think I'm gonna go find somewhere like off campus which I can park in, like just a little side road or something, just for now. It should only be for the next couple of days anyway, until I get my permit, but it's annoying. I think that's what I'm gonna do today. But all my room is like tidied away and everything, so everything's in its place. So there will be a room tour coming soon, which is super exciting. Just did my makeup and I'm just currently watching last night's Love Island because I missed that. Also, I will give you a room tour like eventually, but I wanted to show you guys this drawer because it's so cool. Look at my makeup drawer. Basically, the drawer separator, I don't know if you guys remember my packing vlog, this drawer separator is basically huge. It was from Dunelm and I just didn't think it would fit in any drawer. Definitely wouldn't fit in the kitchen one, but then we saw this one and it literally fits. I mean, it didn't. My mum literally had to squash it in, so to be honest it's gonna be quite hard to get out, but it's in and I love that. So yeah, this is also my outfit of the day, guys. I need to sort my hair out because this back bit, if anyone has any advice, like if you wear your hair down on a day-to-day basis, this is the one trouble I have found since wearing my hair like down every day, is that this back bit, like, can you see that? It won't like flatten down. I have to try and get it over to one side or something, and then I try and straighten it, but like then I'm like straightening that part like every single day, and obviously it's like damaging to your hair, so I don't know what to do about that. Anyway, this is my outfit of the day. I'm not looking great today, I'm not gonna lie. I'm feeling quite tired even though I did have a good night's sleep. But yeah, I'm just wearing this top from Pretty Little Thing and the jeans I was wearing yesterday from New Look. But yeah, that is the outfit. I will say though, guys, I am feeling a lot more chilled than I was like in Brighton. Honestly, excuse the croaky throat, I do not know what's going on there, but I do feel so much more chilled. Like, it is crazy the difference. But then again, like, I know that I can literally just pop home like today, but you know. I'll show you guys my view. I don't know if I showed you it or it might have been slightly dark last night, but I will show you it now. Yeah, there hasn't been really like any freshers events. I mean, I'm lying, there is freshers events, but you have to have like tickets for them, and most of them sold out within like 10 minutes. So yeah, and you can still like go outside and like queue for it, but honestly we're not that bothered as a flat because like it sounds pretty stupid anyway, like the fact that you literally can't get up or anything, you just have to sit at the table and you've got to leave at 10 PM. So yeah, but I'll show you my view. How nice is this view, guys? I've got it like the blind half down because, you know, in case anybody does walk past, but yeah, it is chucking it down with rain right now. There's a little road up there. Yeah, I think it's quite nice. It is chucking it down outside. I am honestly drenched and my hair has gone so frizzy because I've just been caught in so much rain. Why does this happen when you move into uni? Like, this literally happened last year. So guys, thought I'd give you all a bit of an update. To be honest, this moving vlog is kind of boring because just literally nothing's happening. I feel like this is the realness of this year, starting with COVID, because literally there is just nothing to do. It's currently like, basically it's like 4:30 and I have been at home since like 11. My mum had a few things to do once she picked me up, so we did that, and then came home and it was like 12, half 12, so I had some lunch and then we just chilled for a bit really, and then I've actually drove my car back, so I've now got my car here. But yeah, it's 4:30 and I don't know where anybody is and I just don't know what to do basically, because it's like, what do? You know, tracking it down, but like rain outside, so I'm like, I can't exactly go out and go for a walk or something because it's literally soaking wet outside. But yeah guys, I think I'm gonna end this video here. Basically I'm gonna pick you up here, guys. Yeah, that is it for my moving video. I done this over 2 days, so it's currently Friday today. Honestly, this is the real reality of moving in with COVID going on, because honestly there is like nothing to do. Let me turn this light. People going like home for a bit and stuff like that because we're just staggered. So people moving in over like 4 days, and then there's like registration on the 5th and 6th, and then on the 10th and 11th there is freshers fair, and then we don't actually start until the 12th. So like that's why I think it's really stupid, because it's like, what are you meant to do? Like there is like a few events on, but like realistically there isn't really any going on. That is the reality of this year moving into uni. It's so weird. Yeah, honestly I'm just like, oh, what do I do? Like literally, what do I do? So yeah, but I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you have any questions, then make sure you leave them down below. But yeah, if you did enjoy this video, make sure to smash the thumbs up button. Also make sure to check out my social media, which is on the screen now, and subscribe if you haven't already. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you all very, very soon with a new one. Bye.